News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Zoological Park, New Delhi, Hindustan Copper Limited, Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority, Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, New Delhi, LGB Regional Institute of Mental Health, Defence Research and Development Organisation, All India Institute of Medical Sciences and Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. It is proposed to fill up one post of Administrative Officer in National Zoological Park, New Delhi, a subordinate office under the administrative control of Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, by promotion or transfer on deputation basis. The eligibility criteria, qualifications, experience, etc. required for the post are indicated in Annexure 1. Applications in the prescribed pro forma Annexure 2 of suitable candidates who are eligible, willing and who can be spared in the event of selection may be sent to the Director, National Zoological Park within 45 days of publishing of this advertisement in Employment News. Hindustan Copper Limited HCL is a vertically integrated multi-unit Schedule A Mini Ratna Category 1 central public sector enterprise in the field of copper production and a gross turnover of Rs 803.17 crore in financial year 2019-20. With its corporate office in Kolkata, HCL's activities include mining, beneficiation, smelting, refining and production of finished copper products at units located in the picturesque surroundings of Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Most of the units have well-developed townships with modern facilities. The company is on a growth trajectory with ambitious expansion plans. With a people-centric approach, HCL caters to employees' growth and aspirations. Malanjkhand Copper Project MCP, one of the units of HCL in Balaghat district of Madhya Pradesh, involves in mining and beneficiation. Presently, development is in full swing in MCP's underground mines. The company intends to recruit experienced manpower who have the requisite experience in the field of mining and process industry and invites applications in the prescribed format from eligible candidates for the following posts: 20 posts of Electrician Grade 2 T07 and 1 post of Electrician cum Lineman Grade 2 T07. Last date of receipt of application is 15th July 2021 up to 5 p.m. Interested candidates may visit the website www.hindustancopper.com for complete details regarding post, age, educational qualifications, experience, reservation of posts, etc. Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority WDRA Government of India invites applications from eligible personnel working in the central or state governments or central and state PSUs or autonomous or statutory bodies for the following posts to be filled on deputation or absorption basis. 3 posts of Deputy Director in Strategy, Risk and Research, Stakeholders Awareness and Outreach and Human Resource, 1 post of Principal Private Secretary, 1 post of Assistant Director Information Technology and 1 post of Assistant Human Resource. Detailed information may be seen at the authority's website www.wdra.gov.in under Vacancies. Applications in the prescribed format available on the website may be submitted to the Deputy Director Legal, Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority, New Delhi on or before 5th July 2021. Corrigendum etc. if any shall be put up on the WDRA website. 4 posts of accountant are proposed to be filled on deputation basis in Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, New Delhi. Eligibility for the post is given in Annexure 1. Initially, the period of deputation may be for a period of 3 years. It is requested that application of suitable candidates who are eligible, willing and can be spared immediately may be forwarded to the concerned authority within 45 days from the advertisement in Employment News in the prescribed proforma annexure 2 through concerned cadre controlling authority. For complete details, kindly visit the hospital website www.rmlh.nic.in. LGB Regional Institute of Mental Health, Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare invites applications for the post of Assistant Professor, Psychiatry. Last date of receipt of application is 7th June 2021. Applicants are advised to visit the website lgbrimh.gov.in for complete set of advertisement with detailed criteria or requirements in respect of educational qualification, essential experience, age, reservation and other requirements including application form. Applications from eligible candidates are invited for filling up the following post on deputation including short-term contract or re-employment basis in Defence Research and Development Organisation, Ministry of Defence on deputation including short-term or re-employment basis. 2 posts of Chief Security Officer and 7 posts of Security Officer. Number of vacancies may be changed at the time of selection. The eligibility conditions for the above posts are given in Annexure 1. The selected officers will be appointed under the normal terms and conditions prescribed in this regard by the Government of India from time to time. It is requested that application in duplicate and countersigned by the Cadre Controlling Authority as per the given Annexure 2 along with photocopies of completed and up-to-date APARs for the last 5 years, 2013 to 14 and 2018 to 19, of the officers who could be spared in the event of their selection may be sent to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. It is also requested that the applicant must also apply online on the website of UPSC, that is www.upsc.gov.in/vacancy circular. Applications are invited from citizens of India including non-resident Indians and persons of Indian origin for filling up the post of Executive Director on deputation or short-term contract or contract basis, each at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Patna, Bihar, Rishikesh, Uttarakhand, Guwahati, Assam, Avantipura, Jammu and Kashmir and Darbhanga, Bihar. Eligible candidates can apply for the post quoting the number and date of advertisement in a plain sheet of paper in the proforma. Serving candidates should forward their applications through their respective cadre controlling authorities. Closing date of receipt of application will be the 45th day from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Late and incomplete applications will not be considered. Canvassing of any kind will lead to disqualification of the candidature. The application format can be downloaded from the website www.mohfw.gov.in and pmssy-mohfw.nic.in. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India proposes to fill up the post of advisor in its headquarters, New Delhi, on deputation on foreign service terms. The last date for submissions of application is up to 10th June 2021. Further details and application form can be obtained from the TRAI website, that is www.trai.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.